great signs. Those are so great. Look at all the love here from our royalty for the mushers. Frank Haberman, that's our first bam. Ashland's got that right. Here we go. They took the time to make all these. So cool. 1 minute to race time. There's Frank getting his last preps on. Here we go, friends. We've been waiting 1 year for this. This is the year, 2024. George Atlas' long-standing record could be broken this year. He won 10, an amazing 10 for Rondy's. He won his first for Rondy in his rookie year in 1948. And here we are, 2024. The second team out back there. Buddy Streeper's looking to beat that record this year. Anything can happen out here. Look at that. 20 seconds, friends.
15, 10.
The start is right now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
There he is. Frank's riding his drag Mac right there. Keep an eye on that. Frank Haberman.
Alaska. He's going to be followed by Blaine Streeper, 41.
Nice clean start for Frank. We're really proud of him. He's a great guy. Talked to him earlier. He's got some older dogs in his team, but they're looking real beautiful. Nice clean start there. You can see all the sponsors we like to thank. Everybody